Okay, welcome everyone to one more stream. Today, first of all, I have mailed every single one who has won the giveaway. So, all of you should be having the email if you have won it. That is the case. Okay, so yeah, I mean, basically, what I did is that we had like about 2,200 people who signed up for this, filled the form, and I just used like a Python random function to generate 40 numbers, and I just took them. I have sent mails to them. Okay, can't hear you. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes, you can hear and see you. Okay. Okay, so I hope all of you can see me, guys. I mean, if you cannot, please let me know. This is a different setup. I have sold my laptop, if you don't already know. And so I'm actually using this PC from that my sister owns. And yeah. Let's just wait for everyone to come in. I am already getting some replies. We have like 40 people this time, so I don't think I'll be like saying that, okay, this person has won, this person has won. That would be a little bit insane. But yeah, it took me like 1 hour to actually get the complete list of 40 people that will actually win it. Means, but yeah, that in which company you are working right now, because I am new. Hey. Hi Iconic, hi Durjai, hi Yash, hi Pratham, hi Paneer, hi Ansh, hi Suraj. क्या चल रहा है यार? Hope everyone is good. Hi. Okay, a lot of you have joined. That's amazing. Yeah, let me just say this once more. I have sent all the emails to the people that have won the giveaway. So check your inbox, check the email that you have filled the Google form with. And yeah, we are already at 33,700, 500 subscribers, which is just crazy for me to even imagine. And I had no idea that we would actually get to 33,000 subscribers by the end of 2020. This has just been a crazy ride for me. And I just want to thank all of you for just helping me out reach this milestone. I expected to get to like 10,000 subscribers. So yeah, this is definitely really crazy for me. Okay, so we have a lot of questions over here. I'm not opening the mail. Hey, hi, remember me? I don't. I didn't get a good college. Don't worry, bro. Don't worry. It's okay. Who won? Yeah. So I have a list of 40 people. Like, do you want me to take their names as well? क्या हाल चाल भाई के बढ़िया हूँ भाई मैं तो create telegram group like I really need to do that. I am thinking how to do that. So yeah, first of all, my last exam of the semester has finally ended. This is really a sigh of relief because I no longer have to fear about the exams. So that's really good. But now I can finally focus a lot more into creating a community around this channel. I think I have been doing a good job with posting videos. बट मुझे थोड़ा सा कम्युनिटी बनाने के उसमें सोचना चाहिए थोड़ा सा. सो आई एक्चुअली ट्राई टू कॉन्टैक्ट हरीश. आई गेट इन टच विद हिम. I'll see if he can help me out with this. Hi bro, just wanna ask how much skills are required in Photoshop to start freelancing. You don't need a lot. My sister started off. She is like 13 years of age and she's already freelancing using Photoshop and video editing. So it is not a lot to start when you are starting, but definitely if you want to earn more, if you want to get above that $5 per hour rate, you need to upskill yourself. You need to get better at Photoshop. You need to create better projects. From when and where will those courses you bought it? Yeah, so I have contacts with the people who are at Geeks for Geeks, and I just told them that, hey, I'm actually hitting 30,000 subscribers. Is it possible for you to make like a giveaway for the audience? And they said definitely. So I was like, okay, that's pretty good. And talking about Codedam, I actually work at Codedam, so I'm a member of that startup. Hey Aryan, will you select me please? I have already selected everyone, so I will just say this once more. So I have sent all the emails to the people that have won it. If you are watching and if you have received the email, quickly just reply to that email and tell me that yes, I have received your email and I want to get this course, and just tell me that, and I will then give you the coupon code that you can use. Which video editing app she used? She used Shortcut. So that's what she uses. That's what I've been using. It's an open source tool that anyone can use, and it's really good. It's, first of all, it's free and it's very simple for you to just get started with. भैया रिजल्ट आ गया यार, रिजल्ट आ गया भाई. पहले वेब डेवलपमेंट सीखा है, कोई लैंग्वेज सीखी पहले. Until now, how much Fiverr order did you sister complete? So what she did is that she took one client and now she is just communicating with that client on Google or like on Gmail, and she just emails them, and that's how she gets all the projects now. So it's all about getting your first client, and once you have that client, you can try to retain that client, because let's say there's a business they want a lot of videos made. It's not just like a one-time thing, right? They will be coming back to you because they want more and more videos, and so you can become their permanent video editor that charges on the basis of the hours you have spent, or on the basis of the value that you have brought. Okay. Difference between CS and IT, there's no difference. Don't think about that too much. But we did not send you any email. We just have done. Yeah. So you have filled the Google form, right? In the Google form, there is this place where you need to put in your email. That's where I got your email, and I've just emailed it to you. I too am from Goa. That's amazing, bro. Result has already been announced. If you have got the email, that means that you have won the giveaway. I can take the names of people as well. It's like what? Yash Chaurasia, you have Harshvardhan Sharma, Roshan Kumar Singh, Yasar Arafat, Dikshit Bohra, Swapnil Gaikwad, and Chirag, Ayush, Venkata Chaitanya, Aman, Nambi, Anuj, Mahadev, Sevinav. So there are like 30 people that I can take names of, but I think it would get too boring for all of you. Bro, Google's hash coding competition registration is going to open on 7 Jan. Please make a video on it so that maximum students and professors. Yeah. So I have to make a video on that. I have been thinking for a long time to make videos on, first of all, Code-in. There's this competition called as Code Jam. Then you have hash code as well. So I want to make videos on all of those topics. I will be doing that. So just don't worry about that. It will be coming soon. When did you send the mail? I have just sent you the mail right now. And I have already gotten like 10, 13, 14 people that have replied. Okay, so if you have gotten the mail, that means that you got selected. Kickstart 2, yeah. So Kickstart is also something that I have in my list. I'll try to get someone who is actually qualified and has some rank in those competitions so that they can share their exact experience. Because I can just talk about it. I can say that, okay, this is the competition, this is what you need to do, this is how you can learn it. But it's completely different when you hear it from someone who has actually done it, right? So that's what I'm just waiting for. Apple M1 aa gaya? Nahi, abhi to nahi aaya. Like I have ordered the MacBook Air, and it will be arriving by 28 of Jan. Jan के end में या फिर February के beginning में आ जाना चाहिए, I think. Is your sister using Shortcut? Yeah, she uses Shortcut. Bro, is learning coding in YouTube best or some course available in online? So if you want to learn web development, you can go to Codedam. That's where you can just learn for free. I mean, you can start for free by just learning it. Just go to codedam.com, and that way you can start learning. Is your sister using Shortcut? Yes, she's using Shortcut. How to rank on YouTube? It's all about SEO, bro. Like I made this recent video, which is on commutative coding, which is not my forte, but I have included all of the SEO keywords. And right now, if you search on YouTube, commutative coding, it's a high chance that my videos will pop up at the top. Right? So that's really interesting. Also, one more thing, a lot of you were requesting me and you were just saying me that when is the LinkedIn and networking series starting, or when is the first video coming out? The first video will actually be coming out on the 7th, which is 2 days from now. And that's where the first topic would be how to create a better LinkedIn profile. So just wait for some more time. That will be coming out. If I work on freelancing, and what if I couldn't solve the problem? I am talking here about ML. Tanuj, we can have a conversation. You can reach out to me on Instagram at Ishan Sharma 7390 and we can discuss over there. Right? So you can just reach out to me on Instagram. I will try to reply to every single person. So just go to Ishan Sharma 7390 and we can have a conversation about that. Okay. A lot of you are sending me questions. Bro, will free courses in Codedam help in building up basics? Yeah, so the basics are completely free for you to use. Okay, so if you want to learn HTML, CSS, if you want to have the basics, then you can learn that for free on Codedam as well. Okay, so you can just use that. Janani, don't worry. I didn't get the email. Don't worry, I will be doing one more live stream or one more giveaway when we reach about 40,000 subscribers. I'll do another one when we reach 50,000 subscribers, and I will continue to do more and more of these. Giveaways are fun actually. I think these are pretty good. भैया मैं अभी IIT मद्रास से बैच कहाँ गया क्वेश्चन से बीटेक कर रहा हूँ, मेरा फर्स्ट ईयर है, कोई रोड मैप बता दीजिए क्लियर GSOC. हाँ, सो मैंने बहुत सारी वीडियोस बना रखी हैं यार, तो जाकर के देख लो उनको ऑन GSOC. पूरी प्लेलिस्ट बना रखी है एंड आई डोंट थिंक आई वांट टू मेक अनदर वीडियो ऑन GSOC. काफ़ी एक क्लीशेड सा टॉपिक हो गया है. आई नो इट गेट्स व्यूज़ बट देयर इज़ समथिंग लाइक मैंने बहुत सारी वीडियो बना दी उस पर ऑलरेडी. कोई अगर स्पेशल न्यूज़ आई थी तो मैंने वो भी कवर कर दी थी जब उन्होंने स्टाइपेंड कम कर दिया था. बट अदर देन दैट आई डोंट थिंक आई नीड टू मेक मोर वीडियोज़ ऑन इट. बट या, that's pretty much what I think. How to improve communication skills? I want to speak like you, bro. I speak very bad, bro. Like my English speaking skills is pretty terrible. You should not speak like me. Whatever you see on camera, whatever videos you watch were made after doing like 3 to 4 takes. Okay, so I have spoken the same thing again and again for 3-4 times, and then I'm able to properly express myself in front of you, and it looks like I've done this perfect job and I'm amazing at English. Well, that is not the case. Talking about how you can get better with English, first of all, you need to, I like this one quote which says this: you need to first of all start reading what you love until you love to read. Okay, this is a quote that I first got to read from Naval's Twitter account, which is just amazing. And over there he basically says, let's say you are interested into coding. Okay, you can start reading about books that are into the coding category. That way you will develop an interest into reading books itself, and then you can start reading books. And reading books has been an amazing impact on my own life. As you can see, all of these books, I have read all of them when I was in my 9th or 8th grade, and right now my sister is reading them, and currently I'm reading these ones right here. So we have Shoe Dog, then we have Never Split the Difference and all that. So these are the books that I'm reading right now. What happens is that once you have developed enough interest into reading, you can move into topics and areas which are not of your own interest, and that is where you will develop that love for reading. That's what I feel, and that's what Naval has also talked about a lot. And yeah, also, like, it's all about the practice. How much do you practice every single day? You can join Clinify. They have this free sessions in which you can just converse with people. You can get better with English, and then you can also just create a video in which you can explain what happened in a day on a camera, on like a phone. Okay, just be like, okay, so what happened today? You can just make like a video like this. Okay, so this is what I did today, this is what happened, this is my learnings, and hoping to get better every single day. What will happen then, after 1 year, you will look back and you will realize that you are actually getting a lot better. Okay, so yeah, that's what I would say. Can you suggest some tips for BCA for my friend? I'm really sorry, I don't have any experience with BCA, so I don't want to talk about stuff that I don't know anything about. If anyone is not interested, DM me the coupon. Yeah, sure. I mean, you can do whatever you want to with the coupon. What method do you prefer to learn a new programming language? Like, what after the basics? So what I do is that I recently, it's not a language, but I started learning React back in mid 2020. I spent like 1 or 2 days just going through the basic syntax of how it works, how to create components, and functional components and class components. And then I started creating projects. Okay, so I found out these amazing videos by Clever Programmer, and over there you can just start making projects, and he explains everything on the go, right? So Papa React actually does a great job. I have a really bad problem with stammering. I'm sorry if that bugs you out. That's just something that you don't see on the screen when I make videos that I edit afterwards. Is BCA worth it? Please tell reality. BCA, I don't know. Like, seriously, I have no idea. I can make a video on this if you want me to. I can get someone who has done a really good job in BCA. Yo, bro, how are you? I'm good, Priyanshu. Okay, so guys, if you don't already know, Priyanshu was the one who came into that video that I made that was called as Chintu Real Fake Full Interview. And he started freelancing at the age of 13, and he's also made his own YouTube channel. That's been really amazing. Okay. Oh my God, there are so many questions right now. Are the winners discussed? Join late. Yeah, so the winners have already been announced. Okay, let me just tell that to you again. The winners have been announced. I have sent the emails to every single one who has received the email. Then that means that you have won it. And if you did not, then better luck next time. I'll be doing more giveaways when we reach 40K, 50K, 60K, 100K as well. Okay. Hopefully we reach that milestone. I won, mujhe code do. Bro, if anyone is not interested, please select me. Yeah, sure. So if they do not, I have this policy. If they do not reply to the email in 24 hours, then I will select another person randomly and I'll choose them. Yes, please make a video on reality of BCA, C++. Okay, so I'll make a video on that. I'll think about it. Right now, I'll only be focusing on improving your communication skills. How can you get better with English? Then I'll also talk about LinkedIn, how to network with people. I'll have a bunch of guests that will be talking about resume building. And that is what the next videos can be about. You can imagine that to be those. So please tell me free resources for learning data structures and algorithms. So for DSA, I think that a great course that you can take up is just go to this MIT OCW video on YouTube. It's like a playlist on algorithms, and you can start just learning every single algorithm. If you want to learn about specific data structures, then I think a great way to do that is let me think about it. There's a Coursera course on it. Okay, so data structures, you can just search it and you'll find an amazing data structures course. It is the most rated. It is like a specialization, I think. Just take it up. It's really good. You can also take a look at Tren. So Tren is making a lot of videos on DSA. I mean, I really enjoyed them. So you can take a look at that if you're interested. How to speak English like you. It's all about practice, bro. Like it's not like there is no secret sauce or some magic to it. It's just about practice over and over and over again. Think about it, right? So I have made 200 videos, and thinking about the retakes, I have talked every single day to create some sort of video. That can be video on this YouTube channel, that can be video on the Geeks for Geeks YouTube channel, that can also be a video on Able Jobs, that is a freelance client that I have, or that can also be on an academy. Okay, so all of these clients that I have, they force me to talk every single day. So as a result of that, what happens is that I get really good or comparatively better at talking properly and thinking about how can I speak something in a better manner. So that's what happened. By the way, I have started, I am thinking to invest into crypto. I have just signed up for WazirX. That's what I have used to start investing into cryptocurrency. I have read a lot about it. So yesterday, what I did is that I spent the complete day just researching about cryptocurrencies and how they work. Okay, and after I have read enough about that, I just made an account on WazirX. I still have to get my KYC verified, and once that is done, I can start investing into it. I think it's a great opportunity, but I will only be investing money that if I were to lose it, I would not have a problem with that. Okay. Hustlers Bay, yeah, that is an amazing initiative by Aman Bhaiya. Do you like electrical engineering? I do not. Like, first of all, I have not spent enough time with electrical, and I really don't want to, because I already have one focus in my life, which is to create content and or also talking about technology, coding, and so that's what I want to focus on right now. Benefit of cryptocurrency is really amazing. Like, there is actually a statistics where that there's actually this number which says this: if you were to invest 1 rupee back when crypto was actually started, when the Bitcoin was initially created, right now you would have actually made 71,000 rupees out of that 1 rupee. Okay, so that has been like the appreciation graph, you can call it. So there is a huge opportunity for you to get rich quick. It sounds so scammy or something, but it's actually pretty true. This is a huge gold run that everyone is taking advantage of, and if you are 18 plus, you should definitely participate in it. Just invest money that you, if you were to lose it, you would not have a problem. Just start investing 500 something rupees every single week, every single month, and see where that takes you. It's really risky, definitely. So tread on your own. Like, just think about it properly and then do it. How much time does it take for a 4-star code chef with college studies? I don't know, bro. Like, this is the question that you can put in the comment section of the video that I recently did on competitive coding, and I will ask Ritesh, and he will definitely reply to that question of yours. I have no experience with competitive coding or data structures in particular. Did you make roadmap videos? Explanation is so good in English too. Did you make roadmap videos? No, for English I did not make like a roadmap that learn this. You can find that on other YouTube videos as well, on other channels as well. What I want to give you is just the motivation to get started with it and start improving yourself. Bro, if anyone's not interested, yeah, sure. Don't worry. How much you earn from YouTube for one YouTube? What? How much I earn from YouTube? I've already made a video on that. Take a look at that. Also, there's one problem with my channel. I'll tell you what the problem is. The problem is that, let's say I have created so many videos right now. People don't even know that I have created those videos. So they would just comment down below any recent video, and they'll be like, ye wala video kidhar hai, and we need this video. And I've already made that video like 1 month ago or 2 months ago. And that is the problem, I think. I need to properly understand how to distribute my content so it is properly available for everyone. So one thing that I'm thinking is to come up with playlists. Okay, so playlists on every specific topic, and I'll have like a lot of playlists on the playlist section of my video, of my channel. I have done a little bit about it. I have like about 5-6 playlists, but I need to create a lot more. Not English related for college roadmap, not English related. Competitive coding. Yeah, I have made a lot of roadmaps that you can take a look at on how to learn web development, how to learn Android development, how to learn artificial intelligence. And I will now be focusing on a networking roadmap, you can call it, or just how to get better with the networking. That's what we'll be focusing on. I have also thought about starting a freelancing series. So yeah, this is the two things that I'm thinking about. First of all is networking, and number 2 is going to be freelancing. If you know these 2 things, you can be unstoppable. You can skip placements. You can do whatever you want to with your own life. Of course, it will take a lot of hard work. That is the whole problem with it. So you really need to understand it. Okay, so we have 176 concurrent viewers. That is amazing. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me and just being here on the stream. Make sure that you smash that like button. Just destroy the like button, right? As Graham Stephen likes to call it. Okay, all right. RIP Gmail, bro. Okay. Roadmap for product-based companies. I have made some videos on that. I have interviewed people who are from tier 3 colleges, and they have gotten into some amazing companies just through their hard work and their hustle. If anybody is not interested, yeah, sure. Free resources of mathematics needed for coding. You can go to Free Code Camp. They have a lot of videos in which they have talked about, let's say, calculus or linear algebra, and you can start learning that. I have talked about the mathematics as well. If you go to artificial intelligence video that I have talked about, like the free resources, you will find that I have talked about the mathematics behind coding and artificial intelligence that you can learn. Just go to that video and take a look at that if you're interested. First year roadmap for product-based companies, various Android development course. Android development course, for the course particularly, you can take a look at maybe Free Code Camp. Again, that is a great example. They have many videos on Android development. But I have talked about Android development roadmap from my own friend. So you can take a look at that as well if you want some mentality related videos on how to approach Android development. What do you do? What's your occupation? Which company do you work in? What do you do? I'm a student. I'm a second year student in BITS Goa. I work for multiple companies. Like, it's not like I work full time in any of the companies. I have been working part time in many of them. But yeah, if anybody is not okay, like I keep reading that message every single time. I don't know why. Ivan, thanks. That's amazing. Harshvardhan, congratulations for winning the giveaway. MCA Cuber video from BITS Pilani, Goa. Okay, I'll try. I want to make society in my college. Please give ideas. Society in your college. Just see what you're interested in. Like, you can create that society. I'll give you an example. What happened is that I have a senior in college, Sharad, and he was interested into artificial intelligence, and so he just went out and he just approached the officials, and they created this unofficial like a society that he's a part of, and that is called as SEDEL, Society of Artificial Intelligence and Deep Learning. And yeah, you can do that too in your own college if that's possible. If anybody, can you provide code for another anagram difference output? Please create giveaway again. Yeah, sure. I'll do more giveaways. I won the giveaway. Love from you, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kishore. Nancy, video on starting freelancing. Yeah. So I'll definitely make that. That is coming in February. So watch out for that. I won the giveaway. Is the coupon code valid for lifetime? It's only one-time coupon code, right? So you can get it for once. You can get one course for free. If anybody is not interested, please select me. How is MTech in BITS? I don't know. I want to become president of Freshers Club. Can you suggest me some tips? I want to make an app for my society management. Will I be able to make the app? Do you know Aman Dattatarwal? I don't know him personally, but I really enjoy the journey he has had and the content he produces. काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है, like just watching him grow as an individual. मेरे को याद है, like I used to watch him जब मैं like 11th क्लास में था, और उस टाइम पर तो उनके बाल नहीं थे. like मतलब बच्चे से लगते थे, कॉलेज स्टूडेंट लगते थे. अब तो मतलब काफ़ी अलग ही लगते हैं वो. Video on technical English. Okay. Have you ever tried to learn coding from Code with Harry? I have taken a look at some of his tutorials, and I think they're pretty good. He provides notes as well if you're interested, so that's really good. But I personally don't believe in making notes while learning to code. I may be wrong. Everyone has a different way to learn something, but it's a plus point if he's providing that. How to win giveaway link is closed now. Yeah, so you cannot participate in the giveaway now. It has already been announced. The winners have already been announced. So watch out for 40,000 special giveaway. Which country Indians are allowed to intern in 2021 due to pandemic? I'll have to think about that. I'll have to research about that. How to win giveaway? How many winners have you announced? Yeah, so I have 40 people that have won it. Okay, so 40 people have won it. 30 people have got the GFG DSA Foundation course, and we have 10 people who won the Codedam lead subscription for 1 month. Tell us about digital marketing. I'm more into the social media marketing part of it. Instead of digital marketing, there are multiple parts of it, right? So there's one segment which is called as social media marketing. That's what I specialize into. But yeah, Intellectual Indies is one YouTube channel that I follow a lot to learn about digital marketing, and they have a pretty good service as well. I want to make an app for my society management. Will I be... Hey Shan, how can we learn English as a beginner? Communication skills like you, can you say the exact procedure? That's what I'm saying, right? If you want to learn English And if you want to get better at it, it's all about practice. You need to devote some time to speaking yourself out. Just talk about what happened in your day and just put it out there. Or if you don't want to put it out there in public, you can just store it with yourself, and you can use it afterwards to just see your growth. I'm in class 10th, then should I start coding? You should definitely try, but don't force it on yourself. It's a good thing to try it out. But yeah, definitely go ahead with it. I tried Java when I was in 10th grade. I got this book called as Head Start Java. It's really funny. It has these comic images and all. It's really fun to just read that book. Mic price. I got this mic for about 3,000 on Amazon. That was a pretty good deal. Right now it's selling for more than that. So I'm pretty happy with that. When will be the next giveaway? When we hit 40,000 subscribers. How to know who won? If you have gotten an email from me, then that means that you have won the giveaway. Okay. And if you did not, then that means that you can try next time. All right. That's what I can say. Big fan of Dear Life. Awesome. Bro, I want to join hardware related companies. I'm interested in production and design of products. Any tips? That I'm 12th pass student. Okay, I will definitely research about this. Honestly, I don't have much to say in that point, but I'll let you know about that. Please answer my question. What is your question, bro? Okay, there are like so many tweets or like so many chats in here. I want to join internship roadmap, tier 3 college. I have made many videos on internships. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. My channel is not organized properly. I have made many videos. Just scroll down. You'll find many videos on internship, or just search Ishan Sharma internship on YouTube and you'll find a ton of them. Okay. 11 studying in PCM. I miss programming. I haven't coded for 2 months because yeah, that is a big problem. Even I stopped coding after when I got into NTSC and preparing for JEE, and that was like a 3-year time that just skipped like this while I was preparing for JEE and other exams, KVPY and all. Will 2 years drop for JEE mains will affect placements? Bro, don't waste 2 years of your life. Placements is not the only thing that you will do. There are a lot of things that you can do once you get into college. Don't waste time by dropping, by just taking a drop after 12th grade. Unless you really know that you can really put in the effort, you can do a lot of amazing things, and you can get to that point in which you don't, you can actually get from like 10,000 JEE advanced rank to like under 1,000 rank in JEE advanced. Then you can definitely go ahead and take a drop. But if you are not convinced, if you don't believe that you can do that, then just don't waste your time. How to make Facebook community or development? It depends on you. What are your goals? Do you really want to get into that top tech company, or you really are interested into building something? And so yeah, it's a personal choice. I have made a video on this as well. Yeah, just take a look at the videos that I've created on this topic. You will find many of them. Not one as usual. Don't worry. Like, it's all a point of probability. So don't worry about that. Can we do after computer science? What can we do? Yeah, you can start freelancing. You can get your job. You can start your own SaaS company. There are many possibilities for you. Give some advice on how to start freelancing, web dev. Once you have created enough projects into web dev, you can start creating your own gig, and you can make it unique. You can optimize it on gig, on Fiverr. And once you have done that, then you can start filling buyer requests, and you can also start to network with people. Okay, that is a great way to find clients. That's how I found all of my clients. And yeah, you can do that. How to read books, beginner. To read books, that's what I said. You need to find out something that you have genuine interest into and start reading books on that topic. And you will realize that you have actually developed a love for coding. And so now you can just drop that particular topic. You can take other topics as well, and you can start reading a book on that topic. I want to learn coding starting with C++. What will you suggest, bro? YouTube or else? Any mentor course? Please tell, bro. Starting with C++, I think you can first of all take a look at FreeCodeCamp's video on C++. That's how I learned the basics of C++. Then once you have done that, take a look at CS50. That's a great course. And after that, if you want to take a look at some amazing courses that I would recommend to you, take a look at that video that I've done. It is, I think, like the second most viewed video on this channel. Just go through it, take a look at all the things that are available there, and you'll get a lot of idea about it. Okay, take a look at that. Portfolio for freelancing, it depends on what field you are into, right? So if you're into web development, you might want to focus more into creating websites, and having that portfolio, make your own portfolio website. That would be very much important. Okay, I want to learn coding. Which is better, Android development or web development? It depends. You can take a look at the video that I have done on Android development. There we have answered this question as well, on what is better. Okay guys, I think we have about like 15 minutes more. So did you get your Mac? No, I will receive my Mac by 28th of Jan. I'm still waiting. As soon as I get that, I'll be making a video on that. Why you look very tired? It was a long day. I had my exam. I had an exam from 3 to 5. Okay, so what I was doing, I was just preparing for that from like 9 o'clock in the morning. So I was studying for like 6 hours, which means I was partially watching some YouTube videos in between as well. I get distracted a lot, but yeah, I have another meeting at 7:30 today as well. How is your internship going in GFG? It's not like an internship. It's more like a freelance work that I'm doing. It's going pretty good. I have made 3 videos so far. We'll be making a lot more. So you can take a look at their channel on YouTube. Just search Geeks for Geeks YouTube and you'll find my videos over there. Any good resources for MeanStack? FreeCodeCamp is pretty good. Like, I think that is a great place that you can learn MeanStack and take a look at the projects as well. But after that, if you want to go deeper, learn about Angular, then you can just search up on YouTube for Angular tutorials and you'll find a bunch of them. I think even Traversy has a video on that. Let me search for that. MeanStack tutorial. I think that there's one person, yeah, Code Affection. This guy definitely has some great tutorials. Then let's see, Traversy Media. Again, Traversy Media makes some amazing videos. They might be outdated, so that can be like a bit of a problem, but take a look at it if you are interested. I want to make an app for my society. I have already discussed that question. Bro, when did you learn to code, bro? When did you learn to code? Okay, I learned to code on the day my JEE Advanced ended. That is when I installed Jupyter and I started learning Python. I bought this course on Udemy on Python and I started learning. Bhaiya 12th में हूँ, how to start Python for boards. I am actually, yeah, so look, if you want to learn Python, I am doing a free 3-hour long marathon, you can call it, on the Unacademy All-Rounders, or not All-Rounders, Unacademy Creative Corner channel. So if you're interested, if you want to see and if you want to learn about Python from me particularly, I will be doing like that 3-hour long video or like a live stream in which I'll be explaining you exactly how to learn Python. We'll start from the basics, variables, if conditions, then for loops, while loops. Then we'll go up to start talking about OOP concepts and decorators and generators in Python. So, and also like error handling as well if you're interested. Creative Corner, yeah, exactly. Just search Unacademy Creative Corner. That's where I'll be going live. And the first one will be happening this Sunday itself. Okay, so on Sunday 10th, 10 p.m. or 10 a.m. actually, 10 a.m. I'll be going live on that channel to just talk about this. Results announced? Yes, the results have been announced. If you have won it, you would have gotten an email. If you did not, then you can try next time as well. Okay. Mern versus Mean, which one to choose? I like to take the Mern stack. That's just my preference. I just take a look at what is a better technology, a better framework to learn. That is React. So I just go with Mern stack. Bro, just wanna ask you how to get into top tech company first year. And just want to ask, how much can I earn as a web developer on freelancing? I want to work only 3 hours. Yeah, so you can, sky is the limit. There are web developers that are charging like $150 per hour, which is about 10,000 rupees per hour on Fiverr or on other platforms. And there are also developers that just charge $10 per hour. It depends on your own experience. Starting, it would be very small. You will have to hustle a lot more. You'll be paid a lot less, but hopefully you are living with your parents and you can afford to live. And after that, you can start just skyrocketing your hour rate, your hourly rate. Minimum knowledge to get into development. Can you give me tips for DSA? I'm in batch. Yeah, take a look at CS50. They have some amazing courses. Take a look at MIT OCW. They also have a great course on algorithms. Take a look at Coursera's Princeton course on algorithms itself. I think those were pretty good for me. I have only watched like half of these, so I think they were pretty good. So yeah, take a look at them. How long will it take to be a full stack developer? It depends on how much effort you put in. You can get there in about 5-6 months if you put in like about 3-4 hours every single day. That is definitely achievable. And you will also have experience. Okay, if you just want to learn the technology, you can learn them in just 2 months. But that real experience that you will get by building a ton of projects, that is what will make you a great full stack developer. Is there any specific differences between BE and BTech? I don't think there are any differences that I can remember right now. What I'm asking might be a little irrelevant, but could you make a video on how to improve English? Yes, I'll be making that video. Definitely, I have that video planned up for January. Okay, so I will be releasing that soon. Watch out for that. Please mention YouTube channel. Are you planning for your own startup? I'm working in a startup already. Okay, so I am like working for Codedam. That is where I'm working for right now, and it's been pretty good. Starting a startup myself, like me being like the founder, I have not thought much about that. I tried doing it once with Pod Infinity. That is what I started in 2020. Didn't go really good. I made some mistakes. I learned a lot from them, and I'm really happy about it. But let's see what happens. Sites for freelancing to get projects easily as a student of school. Take a look at Fiverr. Fiverr is pretty good. If you can fill buyer requests every single day, and you can definitely get your first client in about, it depends on luck, but you can get it in 15-20 days definitely. What is your daily routine? I don't have like a particular daily routine, but I know that on every alternate day I have to get a video out. So I just every alternate morning I'll be focusing on video editing and creating a thumbnail and just putting it out there. That is what happens up till 12 o'clock. Then I start to procrastinate. I do some stuff that wastes a lot of my time. Then I focus on Codedam, on doing some other things, on some freelance projects. And yeah, that's what I do. Nikhil says, haven't made my LinkedIn profile yet, waiting for your LinkedIn masterclass. Yes. So on 7th, that is the next video, we'll be talking about exactly how you can create your own profile on LinkedIn. Okay, so how to create a great profile on LinkedIn, that is what we'll be taking a look at. Obviously, everyone has a profile on LinkedIn. It's not like a big deal, but creating a great profile that is optimized for your search keywords, that's really important. And that's what we'll be figuring out. Brother, best app or website for practicing coding questions? If you want to practice competitive coding, you can take a look at HackerRank, CodeChef, @Coder, and you can also take a look at Geeks for Geeks if you're interested. Where can I get web development internships? Go to AngelList. AngelList is a great place to get started. Bro, diploma instead of intermediate is good. I don't know. How to make our Git attractive? Your GitHub profile attractive? There are many like markdown like styling that you can do to make it look good. Is learning web development and SEO worth it? Definitely it is worth it. All the businesses need it, right? So learning skills that businesses really want is always beneficial. It's not going away anytime soon. Just joined. Are the winners announced? Yes, the winners have already been announced. I have sent an email to them. If you have received an email, that means that you have won it. If you did not, then that means that you can try next time. We'll be doing more giveaways when we hit 40,000 subscribers, 50,000 subscribers, and likewise. I learned HTML and CSS. What should I learn after that? How to apply these? What to learn after that? You can go and take a look at Bootstrap. You can learn about JavaScript. You can then learn about some libraries and frameworks in JavaScript, and then you can create projects. Okay, just using vanilla JavaScript, you can create some games, you can create some projects, and you will learn a lot from that. Bro, iOS development roadmap, please. Okay, so I will get someone who has the knowledge about iOS development, and I'll ask them to just share their knowledge. The problem is that for iOS development, I think you do need to have like an iOS machine, and I think less than 1% people, like less than 1% of my audience would actually have a MacBook or even like an iPad, but I may be wrong. So it would only cater to a very small demographic, a very small audience. So that's a bit of a problem that I was facing, but I'll get it out soon. No, like doing freelancing or web development and SEO, clients कितनी जल्दी आते हैं यार. वेब डेवलपमेंट तो काफ़ी अच्छी फील्ड है अगर तुमको फ्रीलांसिंग सीखनी है. लाइक इफ़ यू वांट टू गेट इनटू फ्रीलांसिंग, डेफिनेटली इससे कर सकते हो. एंड SEO तो होता ही है. मतलब देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल दैट वांट दीज सर्विसेज, बट द issue is that there are a lot of people in this industry as well, in this particular category of, let's say, web development or SEO. What you can do is that you can get into video editing. Okay, that is a field that not a lot of people are compared to other fields. Okay, like if you take a look at web development, if you take a look at let's say video or photo editing. Okay, so that's what I think. How much maths is required in BTech CSE? They'll teach you everything. How much maths? So far, I think I've learned some very basic maths. I've learned about complex numbers. I've learned about calculus as well, coordinate geometry and all. Bro, I'm interested in biology and ML and AI. Can you do an interview with someone who is working? Yeah, so there's this one senior in my college. She just graduated and she's currently working, or I think she has worked at Harvard. So she can join and share her own experience into biology and machine learning. She is doing some research over there. Bro, I don't, what is it? What's the scope of Photoshop and Illustrator and freelancing? Yeah, so the scope is definitely there, bro. Like questions like these are quite open-ended. There's definitely a lot of scope if you are good enough in it. Are you still in Goa? I am not in Goa. I'm currently living in Pune. My college is in Goa and it will be opening hopefully next semester. I don't want my college to open right now. I just don't want it to open at this time. I just have too much freedom right now. If you are wondering why, that is because I have too much freedom that I will not have when I will get into college. I think I will be distracted. I will have too many things to do, and so I won't be able to be consistent on YouTube. I won't work properly on freelancing projects as well. How much video editor earns on freelancing? By the way, what's your age? My age is 19. How much can you earn? Starting, it would not be a lot. You might be working for 500 rupees, 1,000 rupees per video, basic editing. And if you can upskill yourself, this is important, right? So if you can upskill yourself properly into video editing, I think you can start charging astronomical amounts of money from people. If you can show them that this is what you can produce, they would be much more likely to give you a lot more, but you only need to be highly skilled in video editing. And if you are, then you get all of it. But you can even charge like $30, $40 per hour from them. Does bachelor's matter in getting a job? Yeah, it is debatable, bro. I won't say anything. Like, I made that video talking about, is the computer science degree worthless and should you be skipping college? That was only a discussion. I was not promoting, I was not encouraging anyone to drop out or not go to college in the first place. I was just trying to put out this new trend that I was seeing happening in India and elsewhere. And I think that this would be the future. This is what would be happening maybe 5 years or 10 years down the lane. So that's just what I was trying to talk about. Don't quit your college. Let's meet. Sure, bro, we can do like a meetup once the lockdown opens up. Hey, bro, can you give tips for students in CBSE class 12? Study as much as possible. It's like a very bad place to be in 11th and 12th grade. Just study really, 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 really hard, but it trains you to be disciplined. It trains you, and you become focused. If you are good in studying, if you enjoy studying, you learn the art of focusing properly, and you increase your attention span. Attention span is something that has been decreasing logarithmically, exponentially actually. Okay, and so if you really need to make sure that you have a long attention span if you really want to learn something properly. Okay, where do you live in Pune? I live in Hinjewadi. I have just shifted to Pune, I think like 3-4 months ago, and I've been enjoying it. I think this place is really good. It's really peaceful, away from the hustle bustle of Mumbai. I used to live like on like the चौराहा होते हैं ना, जो चौराहे के बीच में घर था हमारा, basically on like the side of that. So there was definitely a lot of noise over there. Talk in Hindi. यार मतलब बोल सकता हूँ हिंदी में. I don't have a problem with that. But I feel that the audience that I will attract is just not the people that I want to have on this channel. This you can take it in a different manner as well. But that's just what I feel. Think about it, right? If you were to listen someone speak in English that is of your same age, and if you want to learn English, wouldn't it be better for you? Vedic maths, wouldn't it be better for you? When will you start LinkedIn? Yeah, I will be starting it from 7th of January. That's when we'll get started with it. And I hope that it would bring value for you. I just want you to share the video as much as possible into your college groups. This is information that everyone should have, and that is why I'm revealing all of my secrets, all of the knowledge that I have learned by just talking to people, by inviting podcast guests on my YouTube channel, on the podcast itself, right? And I will also be giving away this book by the very end of it. Okay, so if you want to stand a chance to get this one, just wait for some time. Hey bhaiya, can I ask a question? Sure, you can ask a question. We have some time. I live in Wakad. Okay, how far away is that? I have no experience. I have not even gone out much in Pune actually. Brother, how you get profit from more giveaways? I don't get profit. There's no profit. Like, I am making some money by selling you, by giving you these courses for free. I don't make any money, bro. It's just something that I just give out for you, just to thank you for helping me out create this amazing community, for sharing the videos, and for the support that you have given. Which is your favorite book? It depends on particular categories, but if you want to go into business, I think one book that I really enjoy to read is this one called as Hard Thing About Hard Things, or even you can take a look at Elon Musk. That's a great book that I'm reading right now. It's really amazing. If you want to go into, let's say, fiction or fantasy, for fantasy, I think Game of Thrones is an amazing book. You should definitely consider reading it. It would be hard for you to start, but you can learn a lot from it. It would improve your English as well, and it is just an amazing, amazing story. A Song of Ice and Fire, I should say. Sanjit Agarwal, thank you so much for the super chat. 40 rupees, thank you so much. The question is, how did you get confidence to start new things? I don't fear the loss. How do I get better? How do I develop confidence? That is just by not thinking too much about the outcome. If someone were to leave like a negative hate comment on my videos, I would not spend my time thinking about that or what that person has done. That is his or her problem, not my problem. And so a lot of people think too much about the consequences or log kya kahenge and all that. You don't need to think too much about that. Just do it. Okay, like if you think too much, you don't have infinite amount of time in your life, right? And this is the best time to get started because you're so young right now. Do you invest in shares? I invest in mutual funds. That's what I do because I don't have enough knowledge about shares or how the stock market works. I'm learning about it. I have been reading a few books. I have been just reading some articles, some blogs. One book that I was reading is Psychology of Money. That's where I was learning a little bit about how money works. It's really interesting, but I don't have complete knowledge in this field. So yeah, I'm just a beginner in this field. Is the firm closed? Yes, the firm has been closed and the winners have been announced. But yeah, can you share some resources from which learn DSA? I want to learn it as I'm preparing for IOI competitive programming. Yeah, take a look at Eric To YouTube channel. It's really good. You can also take a look at Rachit Jain. He's an amazing content creator here on YouTube. Take a look at Take You Forward. Okay, Raj has created an amazing channel just filled with quality competitive coding videos. So if you're interested, take a look at that as well. Results have been announced. If you have received an email, that means that you have won the giveaway. And if you did not, just wait for some more time. Your voice is cute, no homo though. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. Future scope of BCA, please talk on this, bro. Yeah, I'll make a video on this, on the complete topic. BCA, is it worth it? BCA honest review. I'm just thinking of some title that would not be clickbaity, but you would still click on it. Where are the giveaway results? Who are the winners? I have a list of 40 people, but if I were to tell you the names of them, like I can start talking about it. Abhijit, Ekard, Yogesh, we have Manish, Aniket, Kaustubh, Rani, Vamshi, Shri, Saram Jyoti, Chavan, Ayush, Soumya, Tirth, Anshu, Vipul, Vadiraj. These are a few people that have won the giveaway. There are more obviously, but I don't want to bore you guys. Tell us about your BitSat story. There's no special story about it. I was preparing for JEE Advance, didn't get selected over there, messed my paper. I got into BITS. I prepared for 3-4 days, I think. I solved 10 papers. Not in 3 hours, I solved them in 2 hours and evaluated my mistakes, got better with the speed. Attempted the BitSat paper, attempted all the questions over there. I had a negative marking of about minus 39. Okay, so that was really crazy. Like if I would not have made those many mistakes, I would have gotten computer science easily. But anyways, I'm not, being like, oh, I really wanted that degree or something. It's completely fine. It's fine. Everyone go like the video. Yeah, go hit that like button and subscribe and share this video. Are you in Maharashtra? Yes, I am in Pune. I'm not a Maharashtrian. I was born in Madhya Pradesh. There's a small town called as Khandwa, which is near Indore. That is where I was born. Any resources for React.js? If you want to learn React.js, take a look at Codedam. We have some pretty good tutorials. You can take a look at Free Code Camp as well. Just go to codedam.com, okay? And you can get started with that. If you can pay, then you can take a look at Codedam's paid membership, or if you can also take a look at some other courses on Udemy. There is this one course that I like a lot. It's called as Complete Redux and React 2020 tutorial. Take a look at that if you're interested. Where is giveaway? Giveaway has been announced. I have also started my channel. That is amazing, Atul. Congratulations. What to do, you think, what will be the future in defense for girls? Okay, I personally have no idea about it. I'm really bad at a lot of concepts. I only know a few things, and that's what I focus all of my energy into. But yeah, I definitely need to diversify a little bit. So yeah, I'm really sorry about that. Rishabh, I am from Indore. That's amazing, bro. I was in Indore for I think 4 years. I came in Indore when I was in 6th grade. 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. 5 years. Wow. 5 years I was in Indore. And it is an amazing city, I think. I really loved being in Indore. I used to travel through bus. It was an amazing time. Imagine this. I used to get up at 8 o'clock. or no, not 8 o'clock. I used to go to school at 8 o'clock in the morning, get back at I think 3 o'clock. I used to go to my what do you call it, coaching. Okay, so I used to study in Catalyzer. I got there by 4 o'clock. I got back to home by 9 o'clock. Okay, there was actually this, I need to travel about like I think 1 hour. 1 hour I would have to go there, 1 hour I would have to come back. It takes a lot of time, and then I'm left with a lot of homework, and I also need to prepare for NTSC, for JE. Those were some really crazy times for me. Please start answer. Can you say which jobs are you doing now? Yeah, so there are like a bunch of them. Number one, I am working with Geeks for Geeks. So if you take a look at their YouTube channel, you will find a lot of videos that I have produced over there. Secondly, I'm also working with an academy. I basically am an educator over there. I teach coding. And then I'm also working as a freelance video creator on Able Jobs YouTube channel. It's like a YC-backed startup. Take a look at that if you're interested into getting jobs. Take a look at Able Jobs. It's pretty good. How many marks you had got in BitSat examination? 330. I got 330 marks. Yeah, what else am I doing? I also work at Codam. So yeah, there are a lot of things that I'm juggling right now. Bro, if I want to CS, but for any chance, if I don't get it, what should be the prefer branch or college? If you don't get CS, then you'll have to go with electrical, right? Or just think about what is interesting to you. If you were only interested into CS, if you did not get it, then I think you should go for electrical. That would be like the best option for you. Okay. Which technology you learned by second year of engineering? I learned video production as well as I learned coding. How much do you earn? It's pretty good. I mean, I think it's a good amount for a person my age. Hey, you got educator job for Geeks for Geeks. I create videos on Geeks for Geeks. I don't like teach people on Geeks for Geeks right now. Please suggest me a good Python tutorial English. Yeah, so you can take a look at Tech with Tim. He makes some amazing videos on Python. That's where I learned Python, and that's where I created projects in Python. He's an amazing person. I even got to do a podcast episode with him. Currently, I think he's at 5 lakh subscribers, so that's really amazing. And yeah, take a look at that. Bro, what to start? Creating an app for website first, bro. Yeah, you can try both of them. See what interests you, see what you like doing, and then just go from there. You are from DPS Indore? Yes, I am from DPS Indore. How do you know that? Vansh. Were we in the same class? That would be quite a coincidence. Bro, I'm not from science, but interested in computer science. Should I do BCA? I'll make a video on this definitely. Check your Insta. I will definitely do that. Yeah. Which code editor do you use the most? I use VS Code. That's the only thing that I've used right now. I have also used Sublime Text. I have also used NetBeans, but I really like using VS Code right now. Important things of internship from tier 3 college. Yeah, you need to develop yourself a lot so that your college is not like a hurdle for you to get selected. Even in your resume, you don't even need to specify. You can specify your college at the very bottom of it, and you will have your projects, your skills, your experience at the very top, so that people don't even need to take a look at the bottom and see what college you belong to. They can just say, okay, you have so much experience, you have created so many projects, and I will definitely take you in. Right? So that's their mentality. I'm also from Bitskoa. That's amazing. Winners, they have been announced already. When will you do the next giveaway? When we hit 40,000 subscribers. It will happen very soon, I think. Help, I have midterms tomorrow. Best of luck. You should not be watching this live stream then. I think you should really study. Best podcasts in your opinion? Yeah. Number one podcast that I love to listen is Business Wars. I just love the way they articulate something and they reenact the situations in any businesses, in any business. You can take a look at that on Spotify if you're interested. Then I also take a look at How I Built This by Guy Raz, then Masters of Scale by Reid Hoffman, and I think Joe Rogan is definitely one that I like to listen at times. Naval podcast is something that I love listening to again and again and again. I have listened to that I think about 3 times right now. There's only one podcast. There's like 3 hour-long podcasts that I really enjoy listening. Take a look at that. Just go to YouTube, just search for How to Get Rich, Naval Ravikant, and listen to that. You will learn a lot. Do you know Daksh Sisodia? Yes, I know him. Make videos on blockchain. Okay, so I need to have some experience with cryptocurrency, and once I do have some experience, I will share my views, my personal experience with that. Where can I learn video editing for my channel? Where let's say you want to learn, just search. There are some amazing tutorials available on YouTube. You can start learning for free as well. And once you have gotten your first gig, invest that money into getting like a premium course that will teach you a lot more about video editing. Okay, so just go to Udemy and buy that course once you have your first gig and once you have your first client in the first project. Learn more about video editing, upskill yourself a lot more, create more projects, and then you can start charging 10x more. That's also possible. I want to speak English like you. Practice, bro. It's all about practice. Dipali, it's all about practice. Could you tell us about Wipro Ways program? I don't know. I'll take note of that. Please suggest me a good book for data structures and algorithms. So I got to know about this book from Khushbu Goyal. It's called as Grokking Algorithms. I think that's what it's called. It's really good. You can take a look at that as well. Do you speak Hindi? हाँ बोलता हूँ यार. Obviously बोलता हूँ. How many languages do you know? I think I know like 2 or 3 languages. This is a misconception. This is not a good question to ask. Like if you can understand what is the experience of someone when they ask some particular questions, and it is not about how many languages you know. It's more about how much experience do you have in one particular language. You will get hired if you are like the expert of Python. You have a position in Google, in Facebook. If you are amazing at Golang, you will get hired. You have a position at the top tech companies. But if you know 10 languages but you only know how to write hello world in them, and then it'll be a little difficult for you. Which is more important, backend or front end? I love backend, so do I need to focus on front end also? You need to have some idea about how the front end works, just creating basic normal pages and just the basic styling of CSS, maybe learn about grid model, Flexbox you can learn, and once you have done that, you can just move on. You look funny. Why do you not make Hindi videos? क्योंकि यार मेरे को I don't want to make Hindi content. First of all, मैंने जब भी चैनल स्टार्ट किया था I had really bad terrible English. मुझे अपनी इंग्लिश को improve करना था, and that's why I thought let me create videos in English itself. And since then I don't feel like going to Hindi. I know अगर मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगा तो there will be a lot more people that will watch my videos, even like 2 times 3 times as many audience I can get. But I just don't want to do that. I want to keep that bar कि अगर तुम लोगों को इंग्लिश समझ में आती तो तुम ये वीडियोस देखो, नहीं आती तो फिर कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. Brother, please tell me the procedure for how you get involved in startups and uploading videos. यार प्रोसीजर कुछ नहीं है. Like if you get in front of people, तुमको बेसिकली क्या करना है? You need to get in front of people, right? That is the only thing that you need to do. People will contact you automatically. मैंने कुछ जाके किसी को नहीं बोला कि भाई मुझे यहाँ पे जॉब दे दो, मेरे को यहाँ पे ये फ्रीलांसिंग दे दो. They will approach you. You don't need to go to them once you are out there in front of people. Once you create some sort of content and you get recognized. Okay, so let's say you ask someone in my connections in LinkedIn, you ask ईशान शर्मा कौन है, they will tell कि हाँ मतलब एक बच्चा है, एक बिट्स में पढ़ता है, and he creates this kind of content, and so people will know you, which means that they can contact you whenever they need your services, right? You don't need to reach out to them, they will reach out to you. That is a better way, unless you are going for Fiverr and all, which is a different ball game together. Fiverr versus People Per Hour. I have not tried People Per Hour. I have heard a lot about it. So yeah, I am in JEE class. I'm in class 10th, learning web development. Should I study for JEE or learn skill? Currently, I think if you have been devoting like 1 or 2 years into web development, you can go into web development. But if not, if you're just starting, focus a little bit into JEE. I think that would be better for you. How to be consistent after losing hope. Yeah, it goes back to motivation and all, right? I don't like to talk about motivation because मुझे भी motivation से कुछ होता नहीं है. Like if I like to do something, मैं कर लेता हूँ. Like that is the reason इतनी consistently videos मैं कर पा रहा हूँ YouTube पे, क्योंकि मुझे मज़ा आता है ना. Like I genuinely enjoy creating content. I genuinely enjoy spreading whatever I have learned. Okay, but तो वो अंदर से एक आता है मेरे को. I don't need an external motivation to do that particular thing. But yeah, have you read Cal Newport's books? I have read that book. What is it called? Deep Work. I have read that book. It is debatable, like the way what he has proposed. It's not for everyone. Your replies are epic. Yeah, I have read the first book, the most famous book from Cal Newport, Deep Work. I liked it, but I think I have a little bit different mentality than what he does. And it changes, right? Like there's in every like 4 or 5 years that there's a different way to do something, and it changes. The landscape changes a lot faster. And so the way that you operate should also change accordingly. Tell about your startup. Currently, I'm working at CodeDam. CodeDam is a startup which enables you to learn to code for free. Or not for free. You can start for free, and I mean, there's definitely a paid part to it because it's a business, right? So yeah, take a look at this if you're interested. Okay, that's what I'm working for. Freelancing versus YouTube. Okay, freelancing versus YouTube. Doing YouTube, making YouTube videos. So I started making YouTube videos and then I got freelancing opportunities. Okay, because I was out there. Like if I go and take a look at कितने लोग मेरी videos देखते हैं, so every single day like 40-50,000 views I get. तो उसका मतलब ये है कि these many people look at me, look at what I'm doing. Out of that, I think there's a good chance कि कुछ लोग होंगे जो who have their own businesses and they want some help with that. So they definitely reach out to me and we have a conversation. Okay, when are you going to announce winners? I have already announced the winners. Okay, so if you have not seen, if you don't know, like if you have received the email, that means that you have won it. If you did not, then you can try next time. भैया कितने डीप में सी प्रोग्रामिंग की ज़रूरत होती है टू स्टार्ट DSA? आई थिंक व्हाट आई हैव हर्ड फ्रॉम पीपल, यू नीड टू with DSA you can get started once you know the basic syntax of C, but अगर तुमको कॉम्पिटिटिव कोडिंग में जाना है then just make sure that you have proper foundation of the language. काफ़ी सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि like I know how to solve it but मतलब like कोड नहीं हो पा रहा है मुझसे. So the problem is it's just that you don't have a strong grasp or like a strong grasp over C language or C++. How to master DSA and algorithms faster? It's all about practice. Take a look at the videos that I've done. If you had to start a new startup in tech industry, what problem would you solve in tech industry? If I were to tell you that, I mean, there's always this one thing that someone has learned about a particular industry that has taken him a lot of time. ठीक है, तो like मैंने भी काफ़ी कुछ देखा है, काफ़ी कुछ सुना है, and from that I have some insights. I can definitely share that with you. मैं एक वीडियो बनाने वाला हूँ on startup guide, मतलब like how to start startups. Not मतलब idea कहाँ से लाना है and all that, that is up to you, but I'll share with you my own learnings. I'll share with you some resources that you can use to learn how to start a business. You faced with friends when you started this YouTube channel. Discrimination नहीं है, discrimination ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, like ऐसा कुछ तो नहीं था. Your daily routine, brother, please answer. I shocked when I know that you are EC. मिला नहीं यार, मेरी थोड़ी मर्जी चलती है ऐसे. मैं क्या करूँ, मेरा स्कोर ही नहीं आया होता. I could not get CSE, right? So like there's nothing I can do in that. It's just a act of God. Bro, your daily routine. Yeah, daily routine कुछ ऐसा है नहीं. But I know what I have to do. I make a list of the things that I have to accomplish on that particular day, and I just get on with it. ठीक है, आज भी मेरा प्लान था कि मेरे को 3-4 घंटे पढ़ना है, एग्ज़ाम देना है 3 से 5. आफ्टर दैट आई नीड टू फोकस ऑन टू दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम. उसके बाद मेरे को मीटिंग अभी 7:30 मीटिंग है, सो आई हैव टू रश फॉर दैट. बट या, how you got investment? We didn't get investment yet, so yeah, not yet. Bro, is joining college worth it? Joining college is definitely worth it right now, but there's this future that I was talking about in this video, in which you can be all right even if you did not go into college. But yeah, please answer me also, your favorite YouTuber. I think like I have been watching a lot of Shweta Gangwar, and like I've been listening to a lot of Vedant Rusty and Stories with Rusty podcast that he has. तो अच्छा लगता है, like काफ़ी अच्छे topics cover करते हैं वो. But yeah, this is what I have been listening and just watching. But yeah, I'm from tier 3 college. I have 2 years gap. 2 years of gap. अरे अरे कहाँ गया वो क्वेश्चन. भाई ये chat is just not the best way to answer your questions. I love C++, but people say that it's outdated. Is it true? It's not outdated. It's just it is the foundation on which other languages are built upon. So some people say that it is outdated, but it really is not. If you enjoy using C++, go with it. There's no problem with that. Don't listen to what people say just for the sake. जिसकी CP थोड़ी वीक है उसके लिए प्रोजेक्ट आइडियाज़ बता दो, एल्सा डेडिकेटेड वीडियो. ठीक है, प्रोजेक्ट्स मैंने उस पर वीडियो बनाया है, प्रोजेक्ट आइडियाज़ दैट यू कैन मेक यूजिंग पाइथन, तो वो देख लो. स्लो मोड, हाँ यार वो आई शुड हैव डन समथिंग लाइक दैट. आप तो इनेबल कर नहीं सकता, आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई कैन नॉट सिलेक्ट दैट लो लेटेंसी मोड. भाई सॉफ्टवेयर वेब डेवलपमेंट आई नीड टू स्टार्ट. आई एम इन BTech. Whether it will affect me in future, I don't take computer science, does not have. Okay guys, I think I need to wrap this up. Thank you so much for joining me for this short session. Hopefully तुम लोगों को भी काफ़ी मज़ा आया होगा. Let me know if you want me to do more of these. If you have any more questions, you can reach out to me on Instagram at Ishan Sharma 7390. Okay, so let me just drop that right here, Ishan Sharma 7390, and on IG, and we can talk over there. You can take a look at a lot of the content that I have over there as well. And yeah, what is your college name? It's BITS Pilani Goa campus. ठीक है, your favorite leader? There's no particular leader that I admire a lot, but I think Gary Vaynerchuk is definitely someone I look up to a lot. How to learn coding by self. I've made many videos on that. Take a look at that. ये तो ऐसी बात थोड़ी कि मैं ऐसे ही बोल दूँगा कि हाँ ऐसा कर लो हो जाएगा. It's a huge topic. I have made many videos on this. Take a look at them. It is very much valuable for you. What do you have to say for imposter syndrome? It only comes from not comparing yourself. Like if you have imposter syndrome as a developer, it's completely all right. Many people have it, but you have to accept that you need to focus on your own progress. If you take a look at and just break things down, okay, that's also very much important. You need to break it all apart. And if let's say you want to make Facebook, for example, it's a big application. Focus on having that CRUD functionality first of all. Then you can focus on maybe creating a login authentication. Then you can focus on some other aspects of the application itself. All right. Do you 2020 books on Spotify? No, I do not. I'll take a look at that. Is MacBook necessary to learn coding? नहीं यार, ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. Is your MacBook Air reached? अभी तक नहीं आया. Like it will take some time. स्टार्टअप वीडियो कब आएगी? आएगी यार, मैंने बना रखा है प्लान. अभी तो मैं LinkedIn पे वीडियो बनाऊंगा ऑन LinkedIn. एंड आफ्टर दैट नेटवर्किंग की जब वीडियो हो जाएंगे, आफ्टर दैट आई स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट स्टार्टअप्स. आई ऑल्सो ट्राई टू गेट सम गेस्ट्स ओवर हियर. व्हेन यू से 7390 साउंड्स लाइक चेकिंग अ माइक. हाँ, लाइक 7390 इज़ एक्चुअली ये एक रैंडम नंबर था विच वॉज जनरेटेड व्हेन आई वॉज मेकिंग माई अकाउंट व्हेन आई वॉज अ लिटिल किड on cartoonnetworkindia.com. That is a website दैट आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड यूजिंग टू प्ले गेम्स, ठीक है। एंड टिल देन मतलब तब से वो वही यूज़ कर रहा हूँ मैं उसको। क्या चल रहा है? बढ़िया चल रहा है यार, सब अच्छा चल रहा है। बेस्ट लैपटॉप टू लर्न कोडिंग, हाँ इस पर भी वीडियो बना देंगे। ओके, सो आई मेक वीडियो ऑन दिस एज वेल। ओके गाइज, थैंक यू सो मच एंड आई विल सी यू ऑल इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। ठीक है, चलो बाय बाय।